It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Lots of clouds around today, but no precipitation from any of that, at least not here in the valley. As we head into the weekend, temperatures stay pretty close to seasonal averages. The clouds clear out, looks very nice. And the next week, a bit of a warming trend comes in. But what about the weather for Christmas? We'll talk about that and everything else too. First, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 64 degrees the afternoon high, 40 was the morning low. The normal high, 65, the normal low, 44. And as we take a look outside now, here at 7:30 a.m., the camera pointed south. We see the clouds are rolling in. 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 25, relative humidity 45%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 30 degrees, the cool spots at Fort McDowell and Goldfield, 35 in Gilbert and Chandler, 36 in Tempe, 38 Surprise, 39 in Litchfield. Many locations through the metro in the low and middle 40s. The upper air look, we've got a short wave in Northern California that's moving east into the Great Basin today. That will pass north of Arizona, but a band of clouds will come through here as we go through the day today, turning our sky mostly cloudy to overcast at times. And I guess there could even be an isolated snow shower up along the Arizona-Utah border. Here's the watch warning map, some winter weather advisories north of the state. We have a wind advisory with this system moving through across the Mogollon Rim. Elsewhere, that big winter storm for the Northeast, that is beginning to wind down, but still some winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Massachusetts, Connecticut, some of the adjacent states up there. Oh, those snow totals were piling up yesterday. The convective outlook for today, very quiet, no organized severe weather. Here's the precipitation outlook, valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, basically nothing statewide. There could be an isolated shower or two across far northern Arizona, but that's about it. And we'll detail it as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our short wave moving through the western states today. Down at the surface, out ahead of that system, a band of clouds comes in. We turn mostly cloudy, if not overcast, by late this morning and into this afternoon. Might be an isolated rain or snow shower in far northern Arizona, say up around Page, but that's just about it. Highs this afternoon, mid-60s. About the only other sensible weather we'll have is some light breezes here in the valley. Maybe some gusty winds, though, across northern Arizona today. Tonight, the skies turn mostly clear by late evening. Overnight lows dropping into the 40s for most of us. Of course, the cooler pockets could get down in the 30s. And then tomorrow, sunny sky returns, high temperatures mid-60s, and then the weekend looks very nice too. Mid-60s on Saturday, upper 60s to near 70 on Sunday, and then we might just break into the low 70s by Monday and Tuesday with a dry northwesterly flow continuing. But there is another system you can see there diving into the western states. By Wednesday, the GFS has that system passing through the central Rockies with a trailing front, perhaps clipping through the Four Corners. This system doesn't look to affect us very much. It might nudge temperatures down a couple of degrees, and that's about it. Maybe a small increase in clouds. But each run of the GFS keeps pushing this feature further to the east, so its impacts on us will be less and less if that trend were to continue. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 24th. It's Christmas Eve. High pressure in control here across the western states. A big trough in the east, and that means cool and unsettled conditions there potentially. And we do have an upper low off the Southern California or northern Baja coast, but it doesn't look like it's going to tap into a whole lot of moisture. Maybe some mid and high level clouds with that, though, enough to call it partly to maybe even mostly cloudy at times. But high temperatures would be pretty close to 70 if this is correct. Here's Christmas Day. Still looks like more of the same. High pressure in control. That upper low remains to our south and west. Some high clouds around. High temperatures pretty close to 70, maybe even the low 70s if this pans out. And most of the country actually looking pretty quiet for Christmas Day. Again, some rain for the Pacific Northwest coast, but really not a whole lot of high impact activity across the country. Again, a lot can change between now and then, but that's how it looks right now. Let's look out 10 days. This is Saturday the 26th. That upper low now coming through as an open wave, a very weak one at that, maybe a few clouds. That's it. High pressure still in control. Mild conditions continue. And here's a look at rainfall off of the European Ensemble for the next couple of weeks here in Phoenix. This actually runs out through the end of the year. And there's a few members that bring some rain in here, but the ensemble mean is what, about 0.07 of an inch? The control member just over 1/10 of an inch. Bottom line is this looks like a whole lot of nothing for us for the rest of 2020. And temperatures off the national blend of models, 67 today, 64 tomorrow. Overall highs upper 60s, low 70s, overnight lows mainly in the 40s, the cooler spots down in the 30s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious Thursday.